Google just put Nano Banana inside Google search, and now you can edit any photo with AI right from your phone in seconds. I'm talking instant transformations with just a few taps. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to use this new search feature, the exact steps to access it, and why this changes everything. This is huge. So, here's what just happened. Google took their Nano Banana image editing tool and put it directly into Google search. Before this, you had to use the Gemini app or AI Studio, but now it's right there in search through something called Lens and AI mode. That means if you have the Google app on your phone, you can do this right now. No extra downloads, no special accounts. Just open Google search and start editing photos with AI. This is a massive update. Let me walk you through exactly how to access this because it's super simple, but you need to know the exact steps. First, open the Google app on your phone. Works on both Android and iOS. You probably already have this app. Then you tap on Lens. That's the little camera icon you see in the search bar. Now here's the new part. You'll see something called Create Mode, and it has a yellow banana emoji next to it. That's your signal. That banana icon is how you know you're in the right place. Tap on Create Mode and boom, you're in. Once you tap that banana, you've got options. Google gives you suggested prompts right there. These are proven prompts that work well. You can tap any of those and it'll start generating, or you can snap a brand new photo with your camera, or you can upload an image you already have on your phone. Then you just type what you want to change. The AI does the work instantly. This is what makes putting it in search so powerful. It's right where you already are. Here's why this search integration matters so much. Before, if you wanted to use Nano Banana, you had to open a separate app. You had to remember you had that tool, but now it's built into your search flow. You're already using Google search dozens of times a day. Now, every time you open Lens, you see that create mode with the banana. It's always right there. That's why over 10 million new users jumped on this. It's just easier to find and use. And the way it works in search is really smart. You open Lens, which you might already use to search for products or translate text or identify plants. But now there's this whole new create mode sitting right next to those features. So you can go from searching for something to creating something in one tap. That's the power of having it in search instead of buried in a separate app. And let me tell you about something that can help you use tools like this to actually grow your business. If you want to learn how to use AI to get more customers and save hundreds of hours, you need to join the AI Profit Boardroom. This is the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. We're showing people exactly how to build systems with AI that generate leads on autopilot. If you're serious about this, check the link in the description. But here's where the search integration gets really cool. You can do multi-turn editing right there in search. That means you make one edit, see the result, then make another edit, then another. You're building your image step by step without leaving search. Say you upload a photo and change the background first. You see it, then you tell it to adjust the lighting. You see that, then you tell it to add some objects. Each time it keeps what you liked and only changes the new thing. This is way better than trying to write one perfect prompt and hoping it works. Now here's something most people don't realize about this search update. You can also create images from scratch using AI mode. Not just edit existing photos, you can type a text prompt with no image at all, and it will generate something new. Like you could type, create a 3D figurine of a space explorer on a desk, and it will make that. This is all happening right inside Google search. No extra tools needed. The fact that this is in search means it's going to spread fast. Google search gets billions of uses every day. Now, a fraction of those people will discover this create mode with the banana. They'll try it, they'll share their results. That's why we're already seeing tens or hundreds of millions of images created with this tool. And that number is going to explode because it's so easy to access now. Here's what you need to know about availability though. Right now, this search integration is rolling out in English for the US and India first. If you're in another country, you might not see it yet. Google says more languages and regions are coming, but they haven't said exactly when. So if you open Lens and don't see the create mode with the banana, that's why. It's still rolling out. But if you are in the US or India, go check right now because you probably have it. Let me give you some real examples of what you can do with this search feature. You open Lens, tap create mode, upload a photo of yourself, and type turn me into a collectible figurine. Boom, done in seconds. Or you upload a photo of your room and type change this to a cozy library with warm lighting. Done. Or you upload 2 photos and type blend these into one fantasy scene. Done. All of this happens right in Google search while you're on the go. And because it's in search, you can do this anywhere. You're at a coffee shop and want to edit a photo, pull out your phone, open Google, tap Lens, tap the banana. You're waiting in line somewhere and want to create something. Same thing, you don't need to be at your computer, you don't need special software, it's just there in search on your phone. The multi-turn editing in search is really the killer feature here. Most AI image tools make you write everything in one prompt. If it doesn't work, you start over, but with this search integration, you can iterate, you can refine, you can build exactly what you want through conversation, basically. Change this, now change that, now adjust this other thing. And it all happens fast because it's using Gemini 2.5 Flash image, which is optimized for speed. Here's another thing about having this in search. It's going to push everyone else to catch up. Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, they all have photo editing. But now Google put AI editing right in search where billions of people are every day. That's going to force other platforms to add similar features. And the people who learn how to use this now are going to be ahead of the curve. Let me tell you the exact process one more time because this is important. Open the Google app, tap Lens, look for create mode with the yellow banana emoji, tap it, choose a suggested prompt or upload your own image, type what you want to change, hit enter, see your result. Then you can refine it with more prompts. That's it. That's the whole process. It takes like 30 seconds once you know where to look. And here's a pro tip for using this in search. Start with simple prompts. Don't try to change everything at once. Say something basic like change the background to a beach. See what it gives you. Then say make the lighting more golden. Then say add some palm trees. Build it up. This works way better than trying to write one massive prompt with 10 different instructions. The suggested prompts in create mode are actually really good. Google put those there because they know they work. Well, if you're new to AI image editing, just use those first. Try each one, see what kind of results you get. That'll teach you what the tool can do. Then you can start writing your own custom prompts. One thing to keep in mind, every image you create has a watermark. There's a visible one and an invisible Synth ID watermark. This marks it as AI generated. It's baked into every image you make in search with this tool. So if you share these images, people will know they're AI made. And honestly, that's good. With AI getting so realistic, transparency matters. Here's what I think is going to happen. Within a few months, using AI to edit photos in search is going to be totally normal. Just like how we all use filters on Instagram now, it'll be a basic thing everyone does. And Google putting this in search is what makes that possible. They're putting the power in the hands of billions of people. And let me tell you about something that can help you use tools like this to actually grow your business. If you want to learn how to use AI to get more customers and save hundreds of hours, you need to join the AI Profit Boardroom. This is the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. We're showing people exactly how to build systems with AI that generate leads on autopilot. If you're serious about this, check the link in the description. Before we wrap up, I want to tell you about something that will help you take this to the next level. Welcome to the free AI Money Lab with Julian Goldie. Inside, you'll get 50 plus free AI tools and 200 plus ChatGPT SEO prompts. You'll learn how to make money with AI agents, get access to 1,000 plus free N8N workflows, 200 plus ChatGPT prompts, and a full blueprint to generate thousands of leads free with AI. You'll also get a free AI community, free AI course, and proven AI case studies. This is everything you need to actually profit from AI. Link is in the description. Drop a comment below, hit that like button and subscribe. See you in the next one.